to install Java, first we go to a browser and search under Google Java download, and we look for Oracle, the official download site. Here is the Oracle download site, and we look for the JDK, Java JDK right here, and we use Windows here, and we should download the 64 installer, x64 installer. Okay, click download. Okay, it's downloading. Now it's complete. Okay, next step is to run the downloaded installer. Okay, we see this prompt. We need to click yes to continue. We click next here. Now we use this default folder, C: program files Java JDK 18011. We use this default folder provided and click next, and it's running. Now I successfully installed the JDK. Close. Okay, now we need to make sure the Java is installed properly by checking the under the folder C program files, and we see Java is installed here. Okay, we check the subdirectory. We see that JDK 18011 installed properly. So this is the base JDK base directory. We copy this first. Alright, so we need to, the final step is to set up the environment variables. To do that, we need to go to bottom left, the Windows bottom left, search, type for environment. Okay, the edit system environment variables, we need to click that, and we need to click the environment variables button, and we need to add some variables here. So one is we need to add Java underscore home. That's the requirement. So Java underscore home, and the variable value is the one we just copy, so we paste here. Alright, so say OK. So we got that one, and we also need to make sure the path is here. So we need to edit the path, so we don't see our Java path here. So we need to create a new one and paste what we just copied here, and /bin. That's what java.exe, those kind of executable JDK files resides. So we need to create this one. Alright, so we hit enter, and we may need to move to the top. So move up, 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 up. Alright, so make sure it's all the way to the top, so we just to be sure. Okay, then click OK, and OK. That's it.